Hello, everyone. My name is Sena Pilaes, and I'm an aspiring PPC manager. In this presentation, I'll showcase how I transform raw data into meaningful insights using Google Sheets and Looker Studio. My focus was on analyzing a 60-day Amazon PPC campaign performance report to uncover trends, optimize ad performance, and also drive business growth. Here's what we'll cover today: introduction to the data and purpose of the report, data preparation and transformation in Google Sheets, visualizing insights using Looker Studio, and lastly, key findings and next steps. For this project, I used 3 key reports: the campaign performance report, business report, and advertised product report. These reports provided insights into ad performance, revenue, and product level data. Ideally, a search term report would have been included, but it was unavailable at the time of this review. Now, key metrics analyzed. When analyzing Amazon PPC performance, I focused on 7 key metrics. One is spend, that is the total ad spend over 60 days. Total sales, which is the revenue for both organic and paid traffic. Next is PPC sales versus organic sales. This is to measure the reliance on ads. ACoS percentage, or the ad spend divided by PPC sales. Next is TACoS, total cost, advertising cost of sales, which has a formula of ad spend divided by total sales times 100. Lastly is the spend to sales ratio, which measures efficiency in ad spending. Now, why these metrics matter? Looking beyond just total ad spend and revenue, these metrics reveal efficiency and profitability. ACoS and TACoS help identify whether a business is over-reliant on ads for sales. The spend-to-sales ratio determines if an ad budget is sustainable. Now, what I did on this report is first, I look at spend, which is simply the total amount spent on ads within the 60-day period. Then, I analyze total sales, which includes revenue from both organic and paid traffic. This is important because it helps measure the overall business growth. I also separated PPC sales from organic sales to identify how much revenue came directly from ads versus the natural unpaid traffic. Now, data preparation. Data was cleaned, merged, and transformed using Google Sheets before being visualized in Looker Studio. Client-sensitive information was redacted, and calculated fields were created for key performance indicators. Data cleaning. To ensure accuracy, I have redacted ASINs and SKUs for privacy. I've also renamed columns for better readability and shortened column titles for clarity. Data merging. Now, to merge the campaign performance report and advertised product report, or APR, I used VLOOKUP formulas, and I've added new columns to determine whether campaigns were active or paused. It's also to determine which campaign names are categorized as sponsored product, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. Now, for the data transformation part, I have used pivot tables to analyze performance at different levels. Number 1 is campaign performance, which is grouped by campaign name and ad type. Next is ASIN performance, just to track individual product performance. And lastly, match type performance to evaluate keyword targeting and efficiency. Having a structured naming convention helped create a match type pivot even without a search term report. Now, in this pivot, this counted, enabled, and paused campaigns through unique campaign names and advertised ASIN. Its purpose is to accurately determine how many campaigns are enabled at the time of data extraction. I've also created a pivot table for every campaign name and their advertised SKUs, with values showing ad spend, impressions, clicks, total sales, ACoS percentage, PPC sales, units sold through PPC, and its counterpart, organic sales. Next is ASIN performance. It has reducted data, that's why there's multiple X's showing on the advertised ASINs. The value is the same as the previous slide. Lastly, we have the match type performance pivot, which was only made possible due to the consistent naming convention by the PPC specialist who handled this Japanese marketplace account. In the future, for better accuracy, the search term report is needed to accurately determine the match type of each campaign. Now, Let's discuss visualization. This is one of the major parts of what I do as a PPC specialist. Let's face it, raw data alone can be overwhelming. That's why I have used Looker Studio to build an interactive dashboard that makes it easy to analyze campaign performance at a glance. To uncover opportunities, I have created visual dashboards that break down campaign performance by match type, organic versus PPC sales, and assess efficiency through key metrics like ACoS, TACoS, and spend to sales ratio. These insights help determine which campaigns are driving the best returns. Now, this is what I did for data visualization at a glance. From Google Sheet to Looker Studio, where numbers are easier to read and easier to understand, and where dashboards can provide you with information at a glance. Here's the overview. Visualization will be divided into discussing high-spend campaigns by match type, which are broad, phrase, and exact. There's also for automatic campaign analysis and performance by ASIN. The next slides focus on high-spend campaigns by match type. Number 1, to help identify which match types are driving the highest PPC spend. Next is to highlight the organic sales contribution of each campaign. And lastly, to support decisions on adjusting keyword strategy, such as by scaling the inefficient campaigns or by shifting budgets. Now for high-spend broad campaigns. By analyzing TACoS percentage and ACoS percentage together, we can determine which campaigns are efficient and can be scaled up, such as in the case of nylon strap broad campaigns. Conversely, high-spending campaigns with TACoS percentage between 45 to 56% may indicate over-reliance on ads that requires optimization. And then understanding these metrics help in reallocating the budget strategically to enhance PPC efficiency while also boosting organic sales. Now, let's talk about specific campaigns. There's MPSF, high ACoS of 71.22%, which indicates poor product relevance, suggesting a misalignment between targeting and customer intent or low product demand. Now, to improve performance, keyword refinement, and stronger organic ranking strategies are needed here. In contrast, there's LapDesk campaign, which has a lower ACoS of 29.78%, showing better ad efficiency, but its lack of organic sales suggests weak organic visibility. Optimizing listing SEO, improving conversion rates, and enhancing organic ranking strategies can help drive sustainable growth. Next, let's talk about the high-spend phrase campaigns. The Retainer Straps brand defense campaign effectively converted ad spending into lasting organic growth. Now, reducing dependency on PPC, there's also an increase in organic sales indicates strong brand awareness, improved rankings for brand search terms, and a rise in repeat customers. This success highlights the impact of strategic brand defense in sustaining long-term visibility and sales. Conversely, the 5 campaigns with zero organic sales are highly unprofitable, with an ACoS over 200% and ROAS below 0.5, indicating excessive ad spending for minimal returns. Immediate budget reallocation, keyword refinement, and optimization strategies are needed to improve efficiency and reduce reliance on unsustainable PPC cost. Now, Double Hook Strap, Luggage Strap, File Folder, and MPSP Surface Pro have strong organic rankings, and they are generating more organic sales than PPC sales. So reducing the need for heavy ad spending, their well-optimized product pages already drives natural discoverability, allowing for minimal PPC investment while maintaining strong performance. On the other hand, listings like MPSF MB, Standard MB, and ID Strap are overly dependent on PPC, which makes them vulnerable to declining sales if ad spending is reduced. Their lack of organic growth indicates weak SEO, low keyword relevance, or poor listing engagement, which requires optimization to improve long-term profitability. Next is PPC budgets for nylon strap, Standard MP, and similar products should be adjusted to prevent overspending while preserving their organic visibility. Meanwhile, LapDesk, Luggage Strap, and Retainer Strap exact campaigns have high ad costs but low returns, suggesting poor keyword targeting, competitive issues, or the need for listing improvements. Now, Suitcase Belt, Bowcord, and Standard MP demonstrates strong profitability with high ROAS and low ACOS, which makes them ideal candidates for budget scaling to drive more revenue. In contrast, there's Double Hook Strap, Luggage Trap, and Slim MP, which shows moderate performance with some inefficiencies in keyword targeting and PPC dependence. Now, optimizing these campaigns requires reducing spend on low-performing keywords and improving organic rankings through better SEO, better images, pricings, and reviews. These adjustments will enhance conversion rates and reduce reliance on paid ads for sustainable growth. This slide for automatic campaign analysis shows the all products low, meaning lowest bid for all products. Suitcase Belt and Bowcord automatic campaigns are highly efficient, with a spend to sales ratio between 11.69% to 23.80%. These campaigns likely benefit from high converting keywords and strong organic traction. In contrast, the two-piece Ergo MP campaign is inefficient, with ad spending nearly equal to its total revenue, which leads to minimal or no profit. To improve performance, ad spending should be reduced while focusing on better keyword targeting, listing optimization, and overall product competitiveness. Now, there are 6 campaigns who show strong organic demand, with products generating more organic sales than PPC sales, which indicates they rank well on Amazon. Since these products can generate revenue without heavy ad support, gradually reducing PPC spend on ID Strap, Luggage Strap, and Bowcord can help maintain profitability. However, there are 3 campaigns with zero organic sales, meaning the products are not ranking well and likely suffer from weak SEO, poor listing content, or low conversions. Now, to improve performance, these campaigns require urgent listing optimization, including better SEO, enhanced images, competitive pricing, and again, strong reviews. Now, looking at individual eSIMs, I have found strong organic performers. There are some eSIMs that has high organic sales and low PPC dependency, meaning they rank well naturally. PPC-dependent products are also here, which these eSIMs relied entirely on ads for sales, which is a long-term profitability risk. There are also underperforming eSIMs, which some eSIMs had zero sales despite ad spend and requires urgent optimization. By evaluating spend to sales ratio and TACoS percentage, I have identified which campaigns should scale and which need cost reduction. This is to improve future campaign efficiency, reduce ad spend on inefficient campaigns, optimize product listings for better organic ranking, refine keyword targeting to improve PPC and efficiency, and then to also test new bidding strategies for better budget allocation. In conclusion, this project demonstrated the power of data visualization in Amazon PPC analysis. By structuring data properly in Google Sheets and leveraging Looker Studio, I was able to uncover optimization opportunities that could drive better ad performance and business growth. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through LinkedIn, through my personal email, and also through my website. Thank you.